Tabs on your SOLIDWORKS Command Manager can sometimes seem to vanish, or might not be where you expect them to be. Let's show you a few different ways to show them again, and keep your SOLIDWORKS interface under control. When working on a SOLIDWORKS part, the first thing to check if you don't see certain tabs, such as Sketch or Evaluate, is that they are definitely enabled. Right-click on any tab in the Command Manager and hover over Tabs in the menu. Any enabled tabs will be ticked. Click any tab to enable or disable it. Now, it's an easy one to overlook, but the presence of some of the other tabs depends on your modelling environment. For example, when working on an assembly, you'll only see tabs such as Assembly, Sketch, and Evaluate by default, as tabs like Sheet Metal and Surfaces can't be enabled as they only apply to part documents. Another way to check and control which tabs are enabled is through the Customize Settings dialog. This can be accessed by right-clicking on the Command Manager and clicking Customize, or found near the bottom of the Tools menu. This shows us all the possible tabs we can choose, and we can right-click on tabs and select Show or Hide to control their visibility, and add any new tabs that we might want. Don't forget to save your settings out once you're happy with them. It always helps to keep a backup of your favourites. Have a watch of our step-by-step tutorial and follow along to learn how. Finally, if you're certain that you're in the right environment and don't have the option to enable it via the customized settings, you may need to reset your toolbar customizations. Since SOLIDWORKS 2023, all toolbars have individual reset buttons. Head to the Toolbars page of the Customize menu and click on the Reset button at the bottom, followed by Reset Command Manager to restore the default toolbar settings. Restart SOLIDWORKS for these changes to take effect. If you've tried all these options and are still not seeing the toolbars you expect, or have any other questions about SOLIDWORKS, then it's best to reach out to our expert technical support team. Head to our website and log a ticket via our online portal, or get in touch with us via the details on screen.